Welcome back to Terramata Gardens, where we dive into plants that bring beauty, resilience, and function into your gardens and landscapes. Today, we're highlighting a compact evergreen with striking silvery blue foliage, Blue Star Juniper, a low-growing shrub that adds year-round color and structure to almost any setting. Blue Star Juniper wasn't discovered in the wild. It actually originated as a chance mutation on another juniper, Cultivar. This little sport was so unique that growers propagated it, and it became one of the most popular dwarf conifers in modern landscaping. Sometimes the most beautiful garden plants begin as accidents of nature. While Blue Star Juniper itself is a cultivar, its parent species are native to the Himalayas and parts of China, Afghanistan, and Taiwan. In those rugged mountain regions, it survives extreme cold, thin soils, and rocky slopes, which explains why Blue Star is so hardy and adaptable in gardens worldwide. First introduced in the mid-20th century, Blue Star quickly became a favorite for its dense, symmetrical mound and shimmering blue-gray needles. True to its name, this plant forms a tight, rounded mound of silvery blue foliage that looks like a glowing starburst in the garden. Each needle is short, pointed, and radiates outward, giving the shrub a sparkling texture that catches the light beautifully. Unlike sprawling junipers, Blue Star stays compact, usually reaching about 2 feet tall and 3 feet wide at maturity. Its slow growth and natural symmetry make it a great choice for rock gardens, borders, and container plantings. One of the best things about Blue Star Juniper is how easy it is to care for. It thrives in full sun, which enhances its silver blue color, and it prefers well-drained soil. Once established, it's highly drought tolerant and rarely needs supplemental watering. Overwatering or heavy clay soils, however, can cause root rot, so drainage. This plant is cold-hardy down to USDA Zone 4, making it suitable for a wide range of climates. It doesn't require pruning since it naturally holds its dense mounded form, but you can trim lightly if you wanted to keep it perfectly tidy. Because of its slow growth, it's also an excellent long-term container plant. In the landscape, Blue Star Juniper works beautifully alongside plants with contrasting colors and textures. Pair it with golden evergreens, dwarf spruces, ornamental grasses, or perennials like lavender or sedum. Its cool blue tones make warm-colored flowers pop, while its dense foliage acts as a year-round anchor in garden beds. It's also a fantastic choice for rock gardens, slopes, and xeriscaping. Many cultures consider juniper as a protective plant, using its smoke to ward off evil. Ecologically, Blue Star provides shelter for small wildlife, beneficial insects, while its dense growth suppresses weeds and helps stabilize soil in the garden. So whether you're looking to add a splash of cool color, create year-round structure, or design a low-maintenance rock garden, Blue Star Juniper is a reliable and eye-catching choice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Blue Star Juniper, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow gardeners. Stay tuned as we continue exploring the plants and species that brings resilience and beauty to our gardens and ecosystems.